So CircuitVerse is one of the tools that we'll be using for our modeling in this 266 class. The other one that we'll be using is EDA Playground, which allows us to do things with hardware definition languages such as Verilog and VHDL. So what I'll do is I'll take you through a little bit of a demo here with CircuitVerse. It's fairly easy to get going on and almost completely self-explanatory for the beginning thing. So here's our inputs, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a 4 variable odd circuit. So I can take my 2 variables there, not yet, and I'll change that back to 0, and 2 variables here. We don't necessarily have labels for them. Actually, I'll move them down a little bit more. So you can see it's fairly easy to lay things out. And then I'm going to add a couple gates. These are going to be exclusive OR gates. 1, 2. Try to line them up. I'm not the world's best at circuit layout, but we get the job done, then we can connect them. And then we need one more exclusive OR gate to get that odd function. And connect the output of these 2 gates. There. And then I need one output, which I'll put here. Connect the output, and this should be 0. In fact, it is. And now what I can do is I can change those input values. So if an odd number of these are 1s, then the circuit will be true. If an even number are 1s, the circuit will be false. Change it back to just a single one, and voila. It's all 0s, and it's 0. So it's CircuitVerse is fairly easy. You can register for this with a Google account, or you can register for with a new account that you make for CircuitVerse, but it's pretty easy to get going with it. You can save your projects. Here, I'll save this online. I'll call this 4 variable odd function. Say OK, and it will save it, give it the name. I can make it public or private, and I can say this is a basic 4 variable odd function, and I can update my project. Then I have my project successfully updated. It indicates all the basic metadata there. I can launch the simulator, and another kind of cool thing I can do with this. Another kind of cool thing I can do with it is I can actually, if I shoot, it opens a new screen, but you can actually use the tools function to save an image of it. But overall, CircuitVerse is a pretty easy tool to use, and lightweight, and everyone will have access to it, so we don't have to worry about having it installed on the lab computers this semester. Anyway, thanks for watching the little short demo.